Hello, 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 my friends. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with another video. It's time for blending. We're going to be blending all the consonants, all the vowels. We're going to put all the sounds together to make a word. So let's get ready. Turn the TV off so you could hear what I'm telling you, and let's go. So what we're going to do first, guys, we are going to say each sound. We're going to say each sound, and then we're going to put it together. Bring your hands together so you could tell me what the word is, okay? So, Paran, bonsoir, bonsoir, Paran, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient avec un autre vidéo pour Timoun. So, Timoun yo pour aller faire son yo avec, yo pour aller faire chaque son. Oui, chaque lettre son yo pour le faire la avec moi. Et puis, y a mettez mais ensemble pour yo connaître qui l'est pour yo di moi. En nous aller. Let's go do some blending. Let's go learn how to read some words. So when you get to kindergarten, so you know how to read some words. And so when you go to first grade, you know how to read some words. And when you get to second grade, you are hot, ready for second grade. All right, let's go, guys. B. Say each sound with me. K, R, B. Put your hands together. What do you hear? Crab. Very good. Let's do it one more time. Crab. Crab. Put it together. Crab. Very good. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Let's do the sound. Let's say slowly. One more time. Put your hands together. What do you hear? Very good. If you say smell, you are correct. Give yourself a high five. Yes. Let's do another one. Come on, say each sound with me. Here we go. Let's say slowly. Up. Up. Put it together. What do you hear? Step. Very good. What do you hear? Step. Here's the next one. K, U, E, P. K, U, E, P. Say each sound with me one more time. K, U, E, P. K, U, E, P. Let's put it together. Put your hands together. What do you hear? Clip. What do you hear? Clip. Very good. Very good. Parents, this is the time to subscribe to the channel. Remember, you could, on the bottom of the channel, you could do the bell, you could do the thumbs up to let me know you like it, and to subscribe to the channel so when I make those wonderful videos for your child, so they will come up and pop up and ready for your child to read. Let's do the next word. Let's do each sound. Ip. Ip. Let's say slowly. Snip. Snip. Put it together. What do you hear? Snip. Snip. Put it together. Snip. Very good. Let's say each sound with me. Ip. Ip. Let's do it slowly. Ip. Ip. Put it together. Ip. 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 What do you hear? Slip. Slip. Very good. Here's the next one. Okay, here's a say E sound. K, r, a, f, t. K, r, a, f, t. Let's say it slowly. K, r, a, f, t. K, r, a, f, t. What's the word? Craft. What's the word? Craft. Very good. That one was a little bit challenging. Here's the next one. Say E sound with me, and then you're going to read the word with me. Skip. Skip. Let's say it slowly. You ready? Skip. And one more time. Skip. What do you hear? Skip. Very good. If you say skip, give yourself, kiss your brain. Kiss your brain. Very good. Here's another one. Say each sound with me, and then you're going to read the word with me. You ready? An. An. Do it slowly. An. An. Span. Span. What's the word? Span. What's the word? Span. Very good. If you say span, give yourself a hand. Give yourself a hand. Yes, 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 yes. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Yes, 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 yes. And you did a great job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Boys and girls, tell your mommy press the button on the bottom so you could get my videos. So like that when I do the words, so you could read. Parents, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, these are steps for the children to learn how to read. These are the foundational skills that some children do not have, so they know how to read. So if they could hear every sound in the word, they will be able to read the word. Because when they get the big words, they'll know how to break it. Paran, merci beaucoup de ce que nous te gardé. Pas oublier peser bouton pour nous subscribe pour channel là. Let timoun yo joindre video sa yo pou yo kon li. Sonje bien, mwen di nou, pou timoun yo kon li, fok yo konen basic skill sa yo. Fok yo konen, sa son skill yo dwe konen. Si yo pa konen skill sa, yo pa jam kon li nan vi yo. So se sa, fè m'encourager nou, m'fè video pou nou, pou timoun yo ka gade, pou yo ka kon li. E men pa bliye, Miss Jerome toujou la pou nou, e men se sa seman te gen pou di nou. Merci deske nou te gade video avèk pitit nou. Sonje bien, gade tout temps à timoun yo, make sure timoun yo fait son yo bien. Make sure timoun yo fait son yo bien. Make sure parents, the kids are doing the sounds properly, because if they pronounce the sound wrong, the word will be wrong, and they will not know how to read if they're saying it wrong. Et mais c'est tout ça m'te gen pour nous. C'est Mrs. Jerome-Severe. À bientôt.